Okay, so far I'm very impressed with this machine. Not only does it match other things in my kitchen because it's chrome, the controls you get on the screen are really fantastic. You've got just a generic button to select your drinks. You can also have profiles, which you can select. My kids and my wife have different profiles depending on what kind of the details of your drink. Like I have it set here to a plant-based milk, which we put into the little thingy over here, and we're going to. You can select if you want to make it like, say, an iced coffee. You can change your temperature down to medium to low, so you can add milk, ice to it afterwards, or make it really high if you want a hot coffee to stay warm while you're on your commute or something like that. I'm going to leave it at medium for now. I adjusted the amount of coffee and milk, and it's very cool because you can do 2 at a time if you want to. For this example, I'm just going to be making 1. Actually, I'm just going to clean cup here for this. Okay, so I'm going to use a glass thing that I have here just to, because it always looks cooler when you do it in glass. And over here you can select if you want to do 1 or 2 cups at a time. I'm just going to do 1. It's got a cool glowing light. Oop, there it goes. First is doing the milk. Okay, now preparing the coffee. Oh, I love that. That is very satisfying to watch. I use a little chime to tell you when it's ready. Savor your favorite drink. It's so pleasant. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful.